Hi, good morning and good evening, everyone. Here we have hiring managers. By mistake, I have given hiring managers. I want to change it to recruiters. Can I do that?
Yeah,
How to do that?
rename tabs and labels. Rename tabs and
Where is it? Can we search here? Always standard tabs are displayed on the top and
Yeah.
custom tabs in the bottom. So object name, what about object name? It will change object name as well.
No, only the tab name will be changed.
And what about record name?
Record name will also remain the same,
Let us see.
or we can change it if we want here.
And what is the singularity showing? Is it object name or something else?
This is a tab name.
Tab name is always plural, right? When you say this,
Yeah,
internally it will change object name or not.
yeah,
Whenever we say it is singular means it is object name.
it's object name. Yeah, yeah.
So now we change it to recruiters. If you go to this recruiters tab, it is showing new recruiter. Whether object name changed for this recruiter or not.
Yeah, it got changed.
Where to check now?
Schema builder.
Okay. Network is too slow. Or we can directly check in object manager.
Yeah, object name.
We got it or not? But what
Yeah,
not changed?
API name.
External name changed, but internal name remains same.
Oh, okay.
Can we change that to API name?
No,
This is API name, right? Can
yeah.
I change it? I am
We
activating.
already changed the record name.
Yeah, it is
Mm.
not showing here. Let us.
Yeah, So should we change 2 times or
Yeah,
is it enough only?
let us see what. Otherwise, you test it here. We have changed it. Use recruiters. New, if you click, it will give what? Recruiter name.
Yeah. So we have to, if we change in Classic, it won't be changed in Lightning automatically.
It
Should
will.
we?
Object is common for both
Yeah.
Lightning and Classic, right?
Yeah, but here it didn't update.
Now find recruit. Now API name changed, right?
Yeah.
Now click edit and see.
Yeah, it got changed.
Here, observe what happened. What happened? You have asked a question. We have changed there and
Yeah.
it is not changed. Why it is not changed here? Why it is not changed? You asked me.
Yeah.
Now we have few questions. How to rename tab? When you are renaming tab, you are in the tab you are renaming means you are renaming in UI, right?
Yeah.
If you are in object, object column name is different, right?
Yeah.
In the object, you have column name. Before what it was there, hiring manager.
Yeah.
In two conditions. In the here you have changed it to recruiter name.
Recruiter.
Where you have changed it? This name you have changed it for tab or you have changed it for object first time.
For
When you are renaming tab, you renamed
object.
or you renamed for the tab external UI or for object.
UI.
For external.
UI.
Yes, for UI you changed.
Yes.
Yeah.
When you go to object manager, you are changing for backend, right?
Okay.
Object is different, tab is different, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Object is internal. This is in database. Tab is external, right?
Customer.
Yeah.
And got it, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
But here one more question. Between this tab and object, one more is there. What is that?
Application level.
We have business logic, right? Whenever we create object, how many it will generate? What it will generate? Here recruiter underscore C is there for object name.
Yeah.
It is changed, right?
Yeah.
Now what is the business logic name? Hiring manager underscore C or recruiter underscore C?
Recruiter underscore C.
You have updated it, right? You have
Yeah.
updated object level. Then
Yeah.
it will automatically updated, right?
Yeah.
Before it was hiring manager underscore C, that program name. It
Yes.
Yeah.
automatically get updated or not business logic.
Yeah.
This is clear.
Yeah.
So here whenever we are doing customization, at what level we are customizing, that affects that only. If you do modification at object level,
Okay.
now you went to object manager. Once you create tab, if you edit object, will it goes to tab? If you edit this object, if you click on save, will it go to tab options? While creating the object,
No, no.
it is giving different navigation, right?
Yeah.
Here it is different. Here if you change plural to some other thing, will it affect in the UI?
Not affect.
Why it will not affect?
Because you are modifying on the object level.
It's internal on.
So it is not going to give tab.
Right.
Okay.
So we have to change it, go to tab and change it, right? So
If
for
you
object
do,
and tab.
if you do it, what will happen? Let us see.
Okay.
Now I am clicking save. See, if you do modification at object level,
Mhm.
everything will change, right?
Yeah.
When you are doing at object level, Salesforce internally executing everything. Getting? If you do at UI level, it execute, it is limited to that UI only, right? If you change here at object level, it changes business logic name and UI also it will change. If you want to specifically, if you want to change in UI, then you have to go to tab. If you want to have modifications at only UI, only at UI, only in UI. If you do modifications here, complete changes. It will affect UI, it will affect business logic, it will affect backend. Object is main, right? Everything based on the database structure only, right? Everything based on the object, not on the UI.
Yeah.
Can you create tab without object?
No.
So whenever you do some operation on object, it will affect a whole business logic and UI. So our question is, if we make changes at tab level, if we make changes at object level, what is difference between these two? Now you can answer these questions. Making changes at tab level, what are differences between? Making changes at tab level and making changes at object level. Clear about this?
Yeah.
So this kind of observations we have to do. They ask this kind of questions only. They don't ask how to rename tab, how to rename object. If you know answer for this, you can answer anything. Okay, that is about that. Now when come to roll up summary, that is done, that is clear, right? Now everything is clear about tab and object. Now we come to roll up summary. So roll up summary applied where you will apply roll up summary?
In the master object.
In the master object or in the child object?
Master object.
Master object.
You are creating on parent record, but
Yeah.
where you are applying that?
Child.
Right.
Now you answer me, you are applying roll up summary on child or parent?
Child.
You are
Child.
creating on parent, that will be displayed on parent or child?
Parent.
When you are creating roll up summary on parent, it will display on parent, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Creating on parent, displaying on parent. Wherever you create, there only display it comes, right?
Yes.
Creating, displaying on parent. Or you can call it as master, right?
Yeah.
You are going to apply
On
Child.
child.
child, or you can say detail. So it will summarize on the child object and displays in the master. How many roll up summaries you can apply?
25.
25.
Whatever the child or detailed record you are going to apply the roll up summary, it must be related to master, right? Through a
Yeah.
master detail relationship. This is that sentence. Roll up summary field is to display a value in master record based on the values of fields in the detailed record. Okay, that is. So count, where you can apply count? Where you can apply?
Child object. Child.
Child object. Can you apply on entire record or only for one field?
Entire.
No, only on one field.
Count. Is it counting total number of records or it is doing something on the field?
Counting the total number of records.
When you say count, what it will count? For example, now one candidate, how to say this? One candidate applied for 2 positions. Is it possible?
Yeah.
Yes.
Or one recruiter applying, one recruiter handling two positions. No, see these two sentences, which is true, which is false. Which is true, which is false.
One candidate applied for two positions is true.
How it is true? Is there any possibility for the same company you can apply for two positions?
No.
Will it they take? If you attempt for interview for one time, see for 6 months you cannot apply for that job in that company.
Yeah.
Then how one candidate can apply? If you would have applied like that, why where we have made parent? When we are applying relationship between candidate and position, which relationship you have applied? Who is parent, who is child? And here who is parent, who is child?
Recruiter is parent and position is child.
Okay. Parent. Position is child, right?
Yeah.
And when we take candidate and positions, who is child, who is parent?
Position is
Parent,
parent and candidate is child.
candidate is a child.
Then how one candidate can apply for two positions? It is not possible, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So for one position,
One position can have two candidates.
two candidates can apply.
Yeah.
So this is possible. So now here who is parent now?
Position is parent.
Position is a parent.
Okay. Now this is clear. Now you are applying. Now you want to count. You want to count, right? What you want to
Yeah.
count?
Number of candidates applied for a position.
Number of candidates applied for position. So here candidate ID, CID 01. Name something. Madhu. Applied for Salesforce admin. Candidate 02. Applied for Salesforce developer. Candidate 3. Hemant. Applied for Salesforce architect. Now if you apply count, it will apply on whole record or on a field.
Yeah, whole record.
It is going to count records.
Yeah.
Count will be applied on entire record, right? How many records
Yeah.
are there? It will count.
Yeah.
Totals the number of related records.
Yeah.
Salesforce architect, how many applied? 3 applied, 2 immediate joiners. Right? 1, 2, 3 it calculated. Right? So when you apply filter condition, based on what it is counting?
Based on the record. Number of records.
So it is first what it is doing? While counting what it is doing?
Grouping.
Grouping.
When grouping is done means it is grouping records. right? Then
Yeah.
counting. Count is applied on total number of records. That means it is going to apply on records, not on field. If you give filter condition, based on the filter condition, it matches the record, it groups the records, and it displays. What about sum?
It's applied on specific field.
It applies on specific field, right?
Yeah.
So on what kind of fields it can apply sum? Any field, if name field is there, can you apply sum?
No.
Only number, currency, percentage field. What about min max? Where it
Same applied on a specific field.
field. That field can be number, currency, percent, and date and time fields, right? You can type.
Yeah.
Max also same, right?
Yeah.
Now you are clear, right? How to apply, where to apply.
Yeah.
Heroes. Now this roll-up summary also clear. No doubts in renaming tab object and this roll-up summary. Now we will go to other. If you take any organization send emails to different kinds of people, right?
Yeah.
Send emails to employees, customers, partners, end users. Like this, they can send emails to so many people. If you take .NET or Java, or if you want to configure Outlook in your laptop, what you need? It will ask SMTP server. Did you observe any time? While you setting up Outlook, it will ask SMTP server details. Simple mail transmission protocol. If you have this protocol, then only you can configure your Outlook. You can send and receive emails. Any programming like language like .NET or Java. If you want to configure this email templates, you need to have this server in this protocol, simple mail transmission protocol. If this has been set up in your system, then only you can use this emails templates. Otherwise, it won't transmit. There should be a medium. This is called mail transmission protocol. These email templates also called as communication templates. Salesforce has two categories of email templates. One is standard, another one is custom. These email templates are provided by Salesforce. Standard email templates are provided by Salesforce. If you want to customize it, you can customize. If you don't want it, you can remove. Those are not like objects, not like applications. They provide, Salesforce provide for us. If you want to remove, if you don't want to use it, you can remove it. Otherwise, if you want to customize it, you can send. Custom email templates are our own email templates. These we can design as a Salesforce administrators and developers. We can design this. Every email contains what it contains. Subject, content. So the object name is email template. You can see this object. You can go to object manager. The object manager you can see. email message. Now we divide our drives into C, D, E. We divide like this. Then in the E drive, we keep songs. We divide Hindi, English, Telugu, and in Telugu, old, new. Like this, we divide our drives. In the same way, Salesforce also divided email templates. By default, they have given a folder. In that folder, there are standard email template folders. In that, unfiled public classic email template is one folder. My personal email template is another folder. There is one more folder called custom email template folder. These are the main folders, standard email templates and custom email template folders. Under this, we have unfiled public classic email template folder, my personal email template folder. So this is public folder. All users can access this unfiled public classic email template. This meaning is it is available for all users. Every user can access unfiled public classic email template. And second is my personal email template folder. This is restricted folder. Only whoever created, whoever is owner of that user, they can only access this folder. These two kinds of folders are available in standard email template folder. Custom email template folder that we create. How to access that? We can go to setup, search for classic email templates. If you click on that, we can see. First, we will go to the classic email templates. Here we have under email, we have classic email templates. See, all these are templates. In this classic email template folders, you can see unfiled public classic email templates, my personal email templates. These two folders are provided for standard. In this, they have provided all this. So when you click on new, how many types of templates it is giving? That is the folder provided by Salesforce, but you can create 4 types of email templates. Now I want to create text email template. When you click next, it is asking for which folder you want to save this. Either you want to make it public template. You want to make this template available for all the users, or you want to keep it only for you. My personal email templates. So what is the screen you are getting first? Step 1, email template you have to select. What type of email template? Either you want text, HTML, custom without using classic letterhead, with using classic letterhead, or visual force. 4 types. First step is email templates. Select one from these 4. Either you want text, HTML, custom, or visual force. They will ask this question: how many types of email templates are available? Text, HTML, custom, visual force. In the step 2, in the next screen, you have selected text email template. In this text email template, it is asking per folder. Which folder you want? If you keep in this folder, it will be available for all the users. If you keep this, it will be available for only you. It won't be available for others. Now I want to make it unpublic. Whether you want to make it available for use, yes. Email template name. Text email template. Yeah. Now give subject. Text email template. What you want to give here? Here you want to send message. I want to send some message. That message is something like this. It contains a subject and body. If some person has shown interest in the product, you are sending this system generated message. Then save. Now I don't know whether this is done or not. I want to test it. Send test and verify wedge fields. Now I want to select this. I don't want to use this. I want to select this. Send OK. Now I should get right. I have given this email ID. We got or not? From where we got this email? It came through what?
Salesforce.
Did we make any setup, SMTP server setup or something else?
No.
No.
It came through which server?
Thanks.
Here, see instance number.
Yeah,
Without doing anything, without doing any setup, Salesforce took care of that. And we can format this text or not. We can give colors, apply anything you can do. You can use formatting options. You can send hyperlinks, anything you can do. Now email has, we have received email. So in this, how many screens are there? How many steps are there to do this?
two steps.
If you want to do any attachments, you can attach. So if you want to edit this email template, you can edit. Here you can format this or you cannot format this if you want to do it. This is only plain text. If you want to format it, so we will see other now. Where this template is available now? If you want to see this template, where we can see?
Public classic email template. File public.
Now you can see this, right? You can see this.
Yeah.
In the last.
HTML template.
You can create a new folder. You can create new folder like Samskara. You can set that folder access, read write I can give. Now I have created one template. I can move that folder to that template to that folder. This folder is accessible by all users. This folder is hidden from all users. This folder is accessible only by the following users. You can give either group of users based on the roles or public groups. Groups and these roles we will see in the other sessions. We have these three options. Available for sharing. No, now nothing is available for sharing. So now we will create this. This is accessible by all users. If you select this, it will give those who usernames you can add. They can share this. Not only they can use, they can share this folder. Those user or public groups comes here. You can add them to share. Now as a template owner, you can share with anybody. Those users or groups also get sharing option if you give access to them. Now this is accessible by all users. Now I have added our template in this folder, Samskara IT. Click on save. Now one folder got created here, right? This they have provided. This folder we have created. So what? These are standard folders for standard templates. This is for our custom templates. We can save these folders, our templates here. Whatever the templates are available based on the folder you have selected, it will display those folders. There are no I don't have anything which are only accessible to me. If you can take some template, you can take some sample templates. You can edit it. You can change the folder. If you want to use it only for you, you can set into my personal email templates. Edit this. So usually we apply on contact first name. This is the contact object and this is the field name. Automatically it takes. We will understand later sessions how to configure that. So I am saving this right now just for testing. Now if I want to see, oh, I should have changed name of that email. Email template name I am saving personal sales samskara. Click save. What happened? Underscores we need to give for internal. No spaces are not allowed. You can give directly without spaces. Now if you want to see, now in 3 folders we have different email templates. One is available in public folder, public unfiled public folder. Some templates are available which are created by Salesforce by default. Another folder is my personal. We have this will be accessible only by me. Other users can't see this. If I create any other user, if I say them, you go to my personal email, you go to classic email templates and send email to someone. If I say use this template, they cannot use because it is accessible only to me. And we have created one more folder. In that folder, we have made access to use this template for every user. Now you check that for my personal template, go to my personal email templates and test whether it is working or not. Save this. And send this. Test and verify. Give your email ID. If you select these options in the contact record, if their emails are there, just search this. If you select them, that will go to them. We will see these options later. I will give this as assignment to you. Let us see. We got this. See now. We got this or not? With our name. Who has sent this? I am the owner of this email template. That's why I got with this name. This is how we can send emails.
The fields have not populated in the email.
Sorry?
We have given in the template, we have given like dear contact dot first name, right? It should come here, right?
We have not set up that. Just what we have used We have used our
Oh.
own email ID, right?
Oh, okay.
We just go there and check once. Now test and verify merge fields. If you select this, then it will take that.
Oh, okay. Got
Select
it.
this. Now we have selected this,
Okay.
just tested. If you select
Okay.
this, then it will take from contact, it will take first name.
The first name. Ah, okay. Got it.
Okay. This is what basics of email templates. In tomorrow session, we will see in detail about email templates.